Let's learn about birds. Peacock, hen, parrot, duck, sparrow, pigeon, swan, crow. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more video content.